Welcome! In this video, we will cover how to log out of the app along with a few other pre-logout expectations. The last thing that a driver needs to do to manage their logs properly is to ensure that they are logging out of the app when going off duty. This is important that drivers log out each time because logs can be generated while you are off if somebody were to move the vehicle or if it were to pick up a bad GPS signal while parked. While these issues can be fixed by your administrator, it's best to be proactive to try to avoid anybody having any additional rework on your logs. To log out of the app, drivers will simply come to the upper right-hand corner of the screen and either click on the driver's name, followed by log out. It could also just say log out or be a person icon. What you see up here will depend on what device is being used. I'm going to go ahead and click log out. The driver may be prompted to perform a post-trip inspection depending on their company's policy. Additionally, drivers might be prompted to edit their assets and verify their logs. The update status page will appear anytime you are logging out of the app. So be sure to select your intended status prior to logging out. So I want to make sure I'm in off duty. And then I'm going to click verify and log out. The app will finish up the logout process, and once you see the login screen, you will know that you have completed the logout process. That's all we have for this one. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.